Formatting cells and columns is different from formatting a number, which is very important part of Excel. In this video, we're going to emphasize on this part. If you look at this data, we do have a lot of numbers with us. And these are numbers, we cannot say that what are these. These are amount, these are units, or what are they. That's why formatting is really very important. So for example, we click on this number and I want that this is actually an amount. So in this case, I want to change it to a currency. So right now you can see this dollar sign. We have to look at this number group, and in this case, in this drop down, you can see it is journal right now, and if I want, I can change it to a currency also. When I change it, it will show me a dollar sign, but maybe I don't want this dollar sign. I want an Indian rupee currency. So either I right click on this and click on format cells. This is one way, or I can click on this launcher, or I can also press a shortcut which is Control-1 on your keyboard. It will open up this format cells dialog box. In this case, if I click on this, as we are into the currency part, click on it. If I press I, I'll go to INR, which is Indian rupee. If I press OK, it will change into INR this. Now as I have formatted this cell, I can see that decimal places are pretty much back. So I want to remove these decimal places also through these arrow keys. If I click on this, this is to decrease it. If I click on this, this is to increase it. So let me decrease these, and after that I want this formatting to all of these numbers. So instead of doing it again and again, what I can do is, there is one very important part of this option is available in whole MS Office, this format painter. Under the home tab, clipboard group, format painter. When I'm standing on this and I want to copy only the format of this cell, not the actual value, so I'll click on it. I'll click it once, and you can see that a brush is coming with this cursor, and when I click somewhere else, that formatting will get copied. Now I want it on all these cells, so I'll click on it and I'll drag it like this, and you can see that it is changed in these. Let me do it for these cells also, the rest of the cells like this, and let me increase the width of these columns, and now you can see that after every click that option is going away. So there is one way to do that, is when I click on it, I press double click on it, then I can do it multiple times instead of one time, and when I press escape on my keyboard, that option will go away. Now let me calculate it. For example, percentage of total. So I'll press equal to, and I want to calculate the percentage of this pen with total. So I'll click on it, I'll divide it by the total value, and I press enter. So it is showing me this INR, which is actually not the way. It is a percentage. So I don't want a currency, I want a percentage. So when I click on it, you can see now it is in percentage. And if I want to increase the decimal places, I can by clicking this arrow key. And in case if I want to show any number into thousands or hundred places, so if I write, let's say, any number over here, when I press comma, it will count out that hundreds and thousands places. I can remove these decimal places as we have already discussed. Now these are the ways through which we can do the number formatting. Apart from that, the date format is also very important. I have written 20th of May 1980. Now this formatting I want to change. This is right now month, day and year format. If I want to change to any other format, I can go with all those ways which are format cells, or Control-1. So it will show me this box where it is date. So I can select any predefined format which are available over here. For example, this one, and I press OK. So it will show me the sample over here. So 20th May 80. So if I press OK like this. But I'm not satisfied with this. For example, I want to create my own format over here. So I'll press Control-1 and I'll go to custom. In custom, you can see sample is coming, but I can over here I can type in. So let me remove it, and let's say I say that D, you can see the 20 is coming, DD / and then M, which is 5, again M, 05, again M, so it will define the whole month, / Y, so it will show me the year also. When I press OK, and there we go, we have this option with us. The formatting is available. Thank you.